Hello, my friend, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Today's lesson is special because we will learn 50 simple, useful vocabulary words for everyday life. These are words you can use at home, at work, outside, and in daily conversations. You will listen, repeat, shadow, and practice sentences with me. This method helps you understand the word, feel the word, and speak the word naturally. So relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, and let's begin your vocabulary practice for everyday English. We will start with simple words. I will say the word, then I will say a short sentence. After that, you repeat the word and the sentence after me. Listen carefully, speak slowly, and enjoy the learning process. Water. I drink water every day. Door. Please open the door. Phone. I use my phone a lot. Food. I need some food. Home. I want to go home. Bag. I carry my bag. Chair. Sit on the chair. Table. The table is clean. Street. I walk on the street. Light. Turn on the light. Good. Now let's continue with more words. Listen and repeat. Window. I opened the window. Coffee. I like hot coffee. Work. I go to work. Shop. I am going to the shop. Bus. I wait for the bus. Car. The car is fast. Key. I lost my key. Clock. The clock is ticking. Room. I cleaned my room. Shoes. I wear new shoes. Excellent. Now let's add more simple daily vocabulary. Listen and speak with me. Book. I read a book. Pen. I need a pen. Bread. I bought bread. Money. I need some money. Time. I don't have time. Rain. It might rain today. Sun. The sun is bright. Wind. I feel the wind. Hand. My hand is cold. Face. Wash your face. Very good. You're learning fast. Let's continue with the next set of words. Listen and repeat. Milk. I drink milk. Egg. I cooked an egg. Chair. The chair is comfortable. Bottle. This bottle is full. Market. I went to the market. Happy. I feel happy. Busy. I am busy today. Slow. Please speak slow. Fast. You walk fast. Clean. I clean my room. Nice work. You have learned many words, and now we will continue with the final set of 10 words. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Doorbell. I heard the doorbell. Window. The window is open. Laptop. I use my laptop daily. Message. I sent you a message. Smile. Your smile is beautiful. Voice. I hear your voice clearly. Noise. There is too much noise. Street light. The street light is bright. Morning. I love the morning air. Night. I sleep at night. Wonderful! You have now listened to and repeated 50 simple daily English words. But we are not finished yet. Now let's use these words together in short sentences again. This will help your speaking become automatic. Repeat after me. I drink water. I open the window. I use my phone. I go to the shop. I wait for the bus. I clean my room. I feel happy today. The sun is bright. I read a book. I sent a message. Excellent. Now we will shadow the sentences. Speak with me, following my rhythm and tone. I drink water. I open the window. I use my phone. I go to the shop. I wait for the bus. I clean my room. I feel happy today. The sun is bright. I read a book. I sent a message. Beautiful. Now let's expand the practice and make small mini conversations using these words. Listen first. Did you drink water? Yes, I drank water. Do you have your bag? Yes, I have my bag. Do you want coffee? Yes, I want coffee. Where is your phone? My phone is on the table. Are you busy? Yes, I am busy today. Now repeat each line after me. Did you drink water? Yes, I drank water. Do you have your bag? Yes, I have my bag. Do you want coffee? Yes, I want coffee. Where is your phone? My phone is on the table. Are you busy? Yes, I am busy today. Excellent. Now shadow this mini conversation with me. Did you drink water? Yes, I drank water. Do you have your bag? Yes, I have my bag. Do you want coffee? Yes, I want coffee. Where is your phone? My phone is on the table. Are you busy? Yes, I am busy today. Great job! Now let's focus on pronunciation. Repeat these words slowly after me. Water, coffee, window, phone, market, bottle, morning, night, happy, clean. Now shadow them with me. Water, coffee, window, phone, market, bottle, morning, night, happy, clean. Wonderful! You are learning well. Now let's build confidence with simple affirmations. Repeat after me. I can learn English. I speak clearly. I practice every day. I understand new words. I remember new vocabulary. I feel confident. My English is improving. I am learning fast. I believe in myself. I am proud of my progress. Very good, my friend. You have completed an excellent vocabulary lesson today. You listened to simple words, repeated them, shadowed them, used them in sentences, and practiced many conversations. This is how you build real spoken English. Every day you practice like this, your English becomes easier and more natural. Thank you for learning with 24/7 Talk English. I will see you in the next episode. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep growing.